Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. Hey, one to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horace Lewis, LB, representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one in our stand. Surfer, ever in demand, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
That's a smoking the top, That will go to the top. Dancehall is a king. Dancehall is a king. Dancehall is a king. Dancehall is a king. I take dancehall to the top. Dancehall to the top. Dancehall to the top.
I take dancehall to the top.
I can see the ground. Oi. Dancehall, oi. Moral high.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the Dancehall Bomb fraternity, on today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, we have Rodney Price being featured, aka Bounty Killer, as he shares his creative process, vibing in studio with Baby Sham. I have a clip here to share with you guys. Check it out.
Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
It's been a while since I've been watching you. Hoping and praying you might fuck them.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, true authentic Bounty Killer fans will know that's the creation process for the song titled Mad Enough featuring Baby Sham on the Time Bomb EP. You could see Willful Skillful there vibing in studio, as well as his name was even mentioned in this song by Bounty Killer. Now, Earthlings, you can find this song titled Mad Enough in the Apple iTunes store and definitely stream it from the Time Bomb EP. Now, ladies and gentlemen, on to other interesting topics in today's headlines. We have the DPP Paula Llewellyn seemingly stepping down from her position as it was striked unconstitutional that her stay in the House of Parliament was extended. Now, Earthlings, I have a voice note here to play for you guys so you could understand the depths of the situation. Check it out.
I'm here say yo, dancehall boom. If I advise you see a cargo, I'm here say boom them up.
This week's featured overall development as Newsmaker of the Week is the decision by Director of Public Prosecution DPP Paula Llewellyn range of reactions to Friday's ruling of the full court of the Supreme Court that the government's amendment of the Jamaican Constitution to extend the tenure of Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn was unconstitutional. The decision by the panel of 3 judges, Justice Sonia Wint-Blair, Justice Simone Wolfe-Rees, and Justice Tricia Hutchinson-Shelley, has been described as a bombshell in some quarters, with questions being subsequently raised about the implications of Friday's judgment. Up to the beginning of the weekend, the future of Llewellyn remained uncertain, as lawyers representing the opposition People's National Party and other legal luminaries maintained that the court has decided that Llewellyn could not benefit from the amended constitutional legislation to continue as DPP until age 65 because she already received a 3-year extension before the law was amended. However, the Attorney General's chambers, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck, and other attorneys representing the government expressed the belief that those interpretations of the judgment were wrong because the court made no such order for Llewellyn to demit office. They were initially of the view that Llewellyn should remain the DPP and could stay in that position until age 65 because the full court ruled that moving the age of retirement for a DPP from 60 to 65 was lawful. There has been no public comment from Llewellyn or the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions or DPP since the delivery of the judgment, before a statement came second-hand on Sunday evening. She was reportedly in meetings with prosecutors at her office after the court ruling, and some media reports were indicating that a wait-and-see approach appeared to have been taken by her office. On Friday, the proceedings at several circuit courts across the island were reportedly disrupted because some prosecutors who were acting on behalf of the DPP in criminal matters were unclear of how they would proceed going forward, given the developments surrounding Llewellyn. In fact, attorney Oswald Senior Smith, in a television interview, said he was in the middle of a bail hearing in the St. Circuit Court when presiding High Court Judge Justice Andrea Pettigrew Collins informed him that the prosecutors could not continue arguing the case with the status of the DPP now in limbo. With Circuit Court set to reopen on Monday, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck said the government will be appealing the court's decision, but will be hoping to get an immediate stay of the orders that was made by the full court, which is also referred to as the Constitutional Court. But some attorneys have expressed the view that there cannot be a stay of execution of a decision that is declaratory.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, after that breaking news about Paula Llewellyn and the DPP surfaced on all popular media outlets, she decided to step down from the position and the new DPP was put into place, Claudette Thompson. I have a clip here to share with you guys, courtesy of Television Jamaica, TVJ. Check it out.
Hey, it's your girl Maka Diamond representing for Dancehall Bomb. Yeah, everything bomb up, don't change it. Stay right here. Tune in. I'm Macadocious.
Carrying out her functions due to the ambiguity and uncertainty of Friday's ruling by the Constitutional Court.
The court ruled that Ms. Llewellyn's extension last year was, quote, unconstitutional, null, and of no legal effect, and the government says it will appeal the decision.
We'll have more on that in just a moment, but first, a prominent attorney has welcomed the appointment of Claudette Thompson as the acting DPP.
But who is Claudette Thompson? Details from Andrea Chisholm.
News came on Monday that 49-year-old Claudette Thompson would act as DPP as of April 22.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Gaza fans went in frenzy online after finding out that the DPP has been removed and a new one has been put into place. But Earthlings, I would like to ask one question. Members of the Dancehall Bomb fraternity, do you think that the new DPP being put into place will definitely give Vybz Kartel an advantage to be free? Leave your comments in the comments section. Now, ladies and gentlemen, on to other topics in today's headlines. We have 200 affected accounts recovery in the SSL fraud bank on conviction. Finance Minister Nigel Clark has provided a consolidated update on the investigation into the fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited. I have a clip to share with you guys. We'll carefully listen this voice note and analyze the situation by leaving our comments in the comment section. Check it out.
Yeah, man, I say no up top, boss. I'm represent Dancehall Bomb. Hey, Dancehall Bomb. I bet we fuck up in ya.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark has provided a consolidated update on the investigation into the fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited SSL, revealing that to date, none of the 200 affected accounts have seen any recovery of the losses incurred due to the fraudulent activities. The extent of the fraud exceeds $3 billion in value. Dr. Clark said any recovery of the funds lost cannot start until after a criminal conviction. Any recovery could only come by way of identification in pursuit of the proceeds of fraud, in accordance with Jamaica's Proceeds of Crime Act. As such, the Financial Investigative Division, in its role as the Asset Recovery Agency under POCA, is empowered by law, Clark outlined. However, civil proceedings are open to aggrieved parties and can be started at any time. Jean Ann Panton, a former client relationship manager at SSL, is the only person who has so far been charged. Olympic champion Usain Bolt is among several persons with accounts at SSL who have filed civil lawsuits against the investment firm. Minister Clark said the orderly winding down of SSL requires the transfer of the off-balance sheet assets. SSL held approximately $30 billion of client assets as part of its off-balance sheet portfolio. Off-balance sheet items include assets that are not directly owned by the company. According to Clark, Clark said that prior to April 11th, the portfolio of international equity, fixed income, and other securities held by SSL on behalf of clients totaled approximately $30.8 million United States dollars. He also said as at April 11th, some 98% of the international portfolio had been liquidated. He said once accounts have been reconciled, funds will be remitted directly to clients based on their instructions. The Financial Services Commission took temporary management of SSL on January 17, 2023. It is currently in a court fight with SSL and its appointed trustee over, who has legal control of the company. In the meantime, Clark said a landing page that consolidates all past and current updates and release will be available for viewing by the end of this week.
Now, ladies and gentlemen of the Dancehall Bomb fraternity, this SSL case has just been a big mix-up, people. I don't even know what to comment on this case. I'm going to leave it up to the fraternity members to leave their comment and analyzation in the comment section. Now, people, I have a sensitive topic to share with you guys. This father is definitely sharing a moment with his child, people, and the backlash that he's getting online. For me personally, I definitely would not do this, but I definitely cannot even comment on this topic as well, so I'm going to leave it up to the fraternity members to make the decision in the comment section. Check out this clip.
Dancehall Bomb, enough of them represent for you know them dead.
You see me, I tell you, say the little things that matter, I don't feel like a joke. I'm telling you, say the little things that matter, but you don't feel like a joke. You know, she happy I do this right now, because she not a brother and she not a sister. She happy I do this. So you can stay there, then can laugh off of me and say a set of things. Me alright to do what me I do. I build my band from now. I spend quality time with my baby. So who want to come join the life and say you're about him and I feel luck? Your father chat too much. Yo. Take time. If me not give her 1 hour. Give her 1 hour. I must have mother go breathe.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I repeat, it's a sensitive topic and I don't want to say the wrong thing, but for me personally, I wouldn't do this action, you understand? So people, leave a comment in the comment section. Now, Earthlings, I have a clip to share with you guys of Robino Garden from the Phoenix Academy. Craig Butler student, people. Craig Butler has been definitely breaking barriers by giving youths a bright future by signing them to popular premier clubs in England, and I have a clip here of Robino Garden arrival at Aston Villa Club. Check it out.
Me, Shocking more representing for Dancehall Bomb. A Dancehall Bomb, I do it. You hear that? Tune in.
Now, people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.